Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're exploring one of the most stunning creations of 2025, the luxurious motorhome on wheels. This isn't just an RV, it's a high-end residence built for the road, and it's turning heads across the country. From the outside, this motorhome looks more like a futuristic spaceship than a vehicle. With smooth aerodynamic lines, a bold chrome grille, and massive 22-inch alloy wheels, it demands attention. The body is made from lightweight, carbon-infused aluminum, giving it incredible strength without sacrificing fuel efficiency. As soon as the door opens with its automatic slide and soft ambient lighting, you're greeted by pure elegance. Step inside, and it feels like you've walked into a five-star hotel suite. The living area is furnished with Italian leather recliners, a 65-inch 4K smart TV, and a premium surround sound system that makes every movie night unforgettable. The routers, heated marble floors, and LED-lit ceiling panels add an extra layer of sophistication. The kitchen is a dream for anyone who loves to cook or simply enjoy fine design. It's equipped with quartz countertops, a voice-activated smart refrigerator, a built-in espresso machine, a convection oven, and even a dishwasher. Everything is top of the line, down to the brushed metal handles and custom cabinetry. Next, the bathroom. This is no cramped corner. It features a rainfall shower, a smart toilet with auto-cleaning functions, and a luxurious vanity with touchscreen lighting controls. It's cleaner, smarter, and more elegant than many hotel bathrooms. Now, the master bedroom. This is what truly makes this motorhome feel like a home. A king-sized memory foam bed dominates the space, with wireless charging nightstands, blackout shades, and a skylight right above the bed so you can fall asleep under the stars. There's even a walk-in closet with space for weeks of travel gear. And, up front, the driver's cockpit is just as impressive. Dual digital displays, autopilot assist, 360-degree cameras, and AI-based route suggestions make driving this giant surprisingly easy. Whether you're cruising the coastline or climbing mountain roads, the ride stays smooth and smart. People across the country who've experienced this motorhome have only one thing to say: it changes the way you think about travel. From luxury resorts to remote trails, this home on wheels brings comfort everywhere it goes. But here's the reality. All this comes with a serious price tag. The 2025 Luxurious Motorhome starts at $650,000 and can easily reach over $1 million depending on the customization. For those who can afford it, though, it's not just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Thanks for riding along with us on Honest Auto Wheels. Would you trade your home for this luxurious rolling retreat? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing reviews just like this.